see that hole? That's a screw hole. There's a screw in there. I just sprayed it with some more liquid wrench. The manual gets really, really complicated here because the diagrams I'm referencing are on page 64 and the wording about it is on page 66 because of course it is. So this is the thread take-up lever assembly. This is the thread take-up lever assembly, obviously, and this is the needle bar connecting link. They're two paragraphs in a row. I got them confused. That just rotates? I don't know if it's supposed to rotate. After replacement of the yada yada yada. Replace the... How did I take it out? See, the manual's not very helpful here because it doesn't... Tell me how. Oh, here it is. Position where it's okay, yeah. No. Needle bar connecting link V3 figures 60 and 61. So we have. I almost feel like I should prop this up so you guys can look at what the fuck I'm doing, but then I touch it like that. Like, okay. So U7 is the screw in the back, G7 is the thing up front. It says get through the hole, take out the screw, take out that part that rotates, and then what? Yeah, see, not much help here. Honestly, more helpful if I talk it through with poking and stuff. Okay, so loosen screw and remove needle bar connecting link, complete with stud. What's the stud? That's the stud. This is the needle bar connecting link. Take the screw and the stud out, and then it says just take off the connecting link. No big deal. I don't know how you're supposed to do that. Oh. Helps if you hold one or the other of these things still-ish. Come on, come all the way out, then. Oh damn, the screw is long or stubborn. I can't tell. What are you stuck on? Okay. Like, I swear to God, I can feel it clicking outside of its threads. It's out, it just won't. Leave the hole. And the way it comes out, it's now wedged in this hole in the back of the frame. Come on, you fucking thing. What more do you want? Oh, thank God I have the tiniest fingers in the history of the world. Ha ha! Ha ha! Ha ha ha! Oh my God, now I'm putting that back in so I can find it later. But yeah, there's a sticky spot. Yeah, just, it's not threaded all the way through. It's smooth right there. And just at the millennia of gunk. I should email that lady and ask how long it's been in her carport. I got this for free. Belonged to the gentleman's mother. He and his wife are downsizing for, I believe, health reasons. But, yeah, I don't know how to get that off. Okay, so how to get that off. So I did that. So that screw. Take up lever, link hinge stud, which represents take up lever shown removed in figure 61. Okay. Where's figure? That's figure 61. So. So now I gotta loosen this teensy little set screw I didn't even know existed. Oh. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a job for Liquid Wrench. And I might need to come back tomorrow. Oh yeah, she's probably gonna get painted. Did I tell you that? She's probably gonna get painted. Now see, I didn't break this one free. Right? Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. Just, you know, cover everything in Liquid Wrench and wait. Still haven't figured out if this is a screw or just like a flat spot in the casting. Why would it be here if it wasn't a screw? I'm just carving at it. Goo. Okay, well, I guess that's it for tonight.